How do cultural differences impact personal space? Imagine walking into a room and feeling a little uncomfortable because someone stands very close or keeps a big distance. That's because personal space varies a lot around the world. It's not just about comfort, it's about how cultures see relationships and social rules. When you understand these differences, you can communicate better and avoid misunderstandings. Personal space is the area people prefer to keep around themselves. It's divided into zones. The closest is called intimate distance, which is up to 18 inches. People use this zone with family, partners, or very close friends. It's common to hug or touch in this space. The next is personal distance, from about 18 inches to 4 feet. This is for friends and acquaintances when talking comfortably without much physical contact. Social distance is from 4 to 12 feet, used in formal settings or when talking to strangers. Public distance is beyond 12 feet, like when giving a speech or addressing a crowd. Different cultures have different ideas about these distances. In many Asian countries, people are comfortable standing closer to each other, even with strangers. This reflects strong family ties and community bonds. In Western Europe and North America, people tend to keep larger personal bubbles, especially with strangers. They see personal space as a way to protect privacy and independence. South American cultures often fall somewhere in between. They prefer closer distances, which show warmth and friendliness in social interactions. Population density also plays a role. In crowded cities like Cairo or Mexico City, people are used to being close because space is limited. They don't see close proximity as intrusive. But in less crowded areas, people expect more personal space and might feel uncomfortable if someone gets too close. Nonverbal cues like contact, body orientation, and physical touch also change with culture. For example, in Latin America and Southern Europe, greeting with a hug or kiss on the cheek is common, even among acquaintances. In contrast, in Northern Europe or the United States, people might prefer a handshake or a nod. Eye contact can mean trust in Western cultures but might be seen as too direct or even rude in some Eastern cultures. Understanding these differences helps us show respect. If you stand too close to someone from a culture that prefers larger personal space, they might feel uneasy. Conversely, stepping back when someone from a culture that prefers close contact approaches could seem cold or unfriendly. In daily life and community settings, these norms shape how we communicate without words. Recognizing that personal space is not the same everywhere helps us build better relationships. It's about being aware of what makes others comfortable and adjusting our behavior accordingly. When you know how different cultures view personal space, you can avoid awkward moments and connect more genuinely with people from around the world.